Hey folks, Andy here from BRS Battery. Thank you for purchasing one of our battery maintainers, desulfators. We have a lot of questions on these chargers, plus all other types of what people call smart chargers. So customers are telling us they can't recharge their batteries. As soon as they plug it in, no lights light up, either on this charger or any other charger. Well, here's the secret how do you do that. So because you haven't used a battery maintainer religiously, the battery went down in voltage. I presume most of the time, I'd say 95% of the time, the voltage is below 10.8 volts. So number one thing you have to do is grab a voltmeter and measure the voltage off your battery that you're currently trying to charge. My best guess, it's below 10.8 volts. If that's the case, the secret is grab a 12 volt lead acid battery as well, which we've done here. We only hooked it up to one of our sealed lead acid battery. So what you do, you hook them up in what they call in parallel. So all I've done here is hook up the negative to negative, and the positive to the positive. These are the two leads here. So basically all you have to do is hook them up directly right onto your battery. Now what that's going to do, since this is 12.6 volts or higher, it will send voltage to this battery, which in turn will fool the charger thinking that the voltage is higher than 10.8 volts. So you'll see automatically that your charger will start charging this battery. Now if you want my personal opinion, I'd wait about 30 minutes or so. Once that's done, unplug your charger, any other charger, disconnect your two leads, wait for about 15 minutes and see if the voltage will bounce back to higher than 10.8 volts. Normally it will bounce up to about 11.2 volts. In that case, you can remove these jumpers and directly connect your battery charger to your battery that was stubborn to charge. Now that's a trade secret, folks. I'm giving it to you free of charge. We do it here in the back all the time. All right, so that's how you charge a battery that won't take a charge. Now, if you try this trick and it's still 10.8 volts or even lower, your battery is mechanically damaged inside. You can't recharge such battery. So again, quick tip, just because you bought one of our chargers, I gave you one of our trade secrets. All right, have any more questions, you can contact us on brsbattery.com. Thank you.